Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is another video about how to make your bun look bigger. So this works for thick hair, thin hair. This works for relaxed hair, natural hair. It doesn't matter. It will make your bun look bigger. So after watching this video, you will know how to make your bun go from this to this. First, you start off with freshly detangled hair. If your hair isn't detangled, then it's going to be a lot harder for your bun to have the effect, and your bun might be messed up. So for this, you just need a hair scrunchie and some bobby pins. So next, you just put your hair up in a pineapple. This is how your bun will get that bigger effect, are pineapples. Pineapple is the answer. So yeah, instead of putting your hair in just like a regular bun, make sure your pineapple is as big as possible. Whew, my hair is thick, y'all. So if I'm looking strong right now on the hands, it's a struggle to put this in the ponytail, but we gonna do it today. And don't be talking about my edges or nothing, because I rarely like to use styling and holding gel in my hair, because that type of gel damages my hair. Now I do like to use like softer gels for my curls, but like Gorilla Snot and all the other hard gels damages my hair, so I usually just resort to a headband. So now you get one section of your hair and then you fold it behind. Fold it very carefully and softly, because you don't want any hair coming out of the fold, because it's very easily for hair to come out, especially if you have thicker hair. So you kind of just fold it behind a little bit, and then you get a bobby pin and you bobby pin the ends of your hair. So you put the ends as close to the front of the folded section as close as possible, and then you bobby pin the end. So then you do the same thing with the next section. Get another small section. The smaller the better, but you know, it doesn't have to be that small. And then you just bobby pin the back of it. And then I noticed that some hair sticking out the back of my head. So if you gel your hair, you won't have this problem. But I just bobby pinned the parts that's sticking out in the back of my head. No problem. You know, I still don't need gel, so don't come at me for not using gel, okay? Bobby pin saved the day. So then you do your very last section. Do it very carefully. And sometimes, you know, it doesn't fold right. So if that's the case, just kind of spread your hair out like I just did, and then just fold it and then bobby pin it. And then just kind of shape it with your hands, find any imperfections and just shape it up. And if you're like me and don't use gel either, rarely use gel, then just put the headband on. Okay, before you start, put your headband on first, okay? Then you won't have to put your headband on like a shirt. Desperate times come from desperate measures. I don't want to mess up my bun, so just ignore that. Pretend like you ain't see that. Girl, get it together. You embarrassing yourself. I know you didn't. Okay, you know what? I just shape it to your liking and just yeah, make it the way you want it. And yeah, this is the finishing product, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and like and comment. All right, see you guys next time.